Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today I am creating something pink for the collaboration challenge called Enjoy Pink with Us. So today I am going to be making a little dainty pair of earrings and a zipper pull using the color pink. So the earrings are going to be just little petite earrings that I'll be able to wear, and it's a dual piece because this one's going to be able to wear it. I actually purchased this Blythe doll for a specific reason. I am getting ready to go visit my family in Florida this summer, and my sister of Peacecraft Dolls, Tammy Pally, and I are going to do a little bit of a collaboration challenge, and we don't know what that is yet, but we're working on that. But she's going to travel with me to Florida, and we're kind of going to reveal things while I'm there. So that's why I purchased her. But Tammy sent me this cute little pink dress with the bunny rabbits on it. And I've got her dressed in these little shoes. And I was looking for some bunny rabbit earrings, or bunny rabbit charms, but I couldn't find any in my stash. But I have some butterflies that are pink. And I thought it's perfect because even though these are bows, they kind of look like butterflies. Anyway, let me go put her down, and I'll show you all the charms and beads I have picked out to make us some jewelry. So I have these little cherry quartz beads. I think they're a really pretty color, and they go really nicely with this little butterfly that I chose. The little pink down in the middle. And when I first looked at these, I thought these little stones were green, but they're yellow, which I am so excited about because I love yellow and pink together. Those are two of my favorite colors. So I got in some of my Jesse James beads. I had some yellow beads sent to me not long ago, and I thought I'll get some of these crackle beads from them and add to that. And these little star beads, or star spacers rather. So this is going to be the zipper pull. And then for the earrings, I'm going to use these tiny little butterflies. And I need to find some small little bling to go with them. Actually, I don't think I'm going to use any bling. I think I'm going to use these tiny little glass pearls. I can spruce up this zipper pull and then add them to these little butterfly beads. Let me go get my wire and then let's create. So we're going to work on the zipper pull first, and I went ahead and strung up my beads. I'm using a 20 gauge wire here, and I'm just using those glass pearls and then the cherry quartz. And then I've got the yellow crackle glass beads. And then I've added the little star spacers. And then did the same thing over here in the middle with the star spacer and the yellow. And then again put that on. And I think I might flank both of these ends with some silver toned spacer beads. Actually, I decided to use some gold seed beads on either side since this butterfly is two-tone. I think it's two-tone. It looks like it has a little bit of gold and silver in there. Maybe not, but we'll make it two-tone anyway. All right, so I've got all my beads on there, and this side will have the butterfly. So I'm going to go ahead and make a messy wrap, and it's already got a split ring on there, so that was nice. I didn't have to put one on. I'm just going to wrap my wire around any which way it'll go. And then trim this up here with my flush cutters and squeeze in the end so we don't want to scratch the doll, or if you decide to put this on your purse, you don't want it to scratch, your purse or your bag or whatever. Or I've actually seen people put these on as pendants, and you don't want them scratching your skin if you decide to do that. All right, now I need to put one of these gold seed beads. Okay, let's try another one. That one didn't want to go on, so we'll just try another one. Get them on there, slide all the beads down. And I need to get a lobster claw clasp. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put a jump ring on this just so it dangles better. So I'm going to go ahead and make another wrapped loop over here, just like I did on the other side. Very messily. I think that's as far as I want to go. I'm going to clip this little end off and tuck that in. All right, so I have it tucked in. Now to put the clasp on there, and we have ourselves a little dangle that you could put anywhere you want. But I'm going to stick it on my Blythe doll. And if you wanted to put it, on your purse that maybe had a bigger place that you would attach it to, you would put like a bigger lobster claw on there. Now let's make some earrings. All right, so we have our butterflies. We got our two little glass pearls. I'm going to use gold ear wires. I've got a silver head pin, and I'm using gold little tiny seed beads. So I'm going to put the seed bead down first, and then the little glass pearls. One of them. Make sure I got my butterfly in the right direction. And then another pearl and another little seed bead. And now I'm just going to make another messy loop, a lot like I did over here. Just wrap, wrap, wrap till I get the look I want. Let's see. I think that looks good right there. I got a place I can tuck in the wire. Trim that off. Tuck your wire in. Make sure you don't squeeze your glass bead or you'll have to start all over again. All right, I have that all done. Now to put it on the ear wire. Open her up. Thread her on, close her up, and we have ourselves a little dainty pair of earrings. I know a lot of people who like small jewelry. These would be really nice. I made them for my doll, but I can wear them. Or, if you have a little girl at home that's maybe not quite ready for bigger dangles, but she can wear smaller dangles. These would be perfect. This is what they're like on. They're really petite, but you can still notice them. Those are really nice. Now let me get my doll in her little jewelry. And here she is with her little earrings. They match perfectly with that dress. I didn't think she needed a necklace. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll make a bracelet for me, and they can wear them as a necklace. And then here's the little pull. I've got her with pink eyes, and she is decked out in her pink with a little bit of yellow. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Go check out all the other people that are involved with this. Just use the hashtag, let me make sure I get this right, enjoypinkwithus. And I want to thank the hosts, Annie Creates, by Mimi with Love, Hey Little Missy, and Melody Made. They're the ones hosting this collaboration challenge, and I've had a lot of fun doing this. If you want to join in next month, you don't have to make jewelry. You could do whatever you want. It's actually crafter's choice. Anyway, I hope y'all have a fantastically wonderful day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.